It's safe to say that dewy skin is stunning, but the struggle to stop it from becoming an oily mess is rough, especially for all of you who find staying shine-free impossible no matter your skin type. But as always, we at Glamorous have a simple solution to this very real problem. Cleansing and oily skin are soulmates of the skincare world. They're basically meant to be. So if you have oily skin like me, here's a rule of thumb you can follow. A gel or foam-based cleanser is always going to be the right choice since they will clear your pores of excess grease. And of course, don't forget to use it twice a day for it to be effective. And in case you want to make an all-natural one, mix a little multani mitti with water or rose water if you're feeling fancy and massage it all over. It gets out all the grit, grime and oil, and since it's all natural, you can count on it to be extremely gentle too. The right moisturizer can actually hydrate your face without turning it into an oily mess and make sure your makeup stays put for hours. And guess what? We have the perfect one for you. This is Matte Melt, a glamorous product that we are super excited and proud to finally be able to share with you guys. I just take a tiny pea-sized amount, dot it over my face, and gently massage it in. It's super lightweight, so it absorbs really quick in just a few seconds, and you're ready for anything, whether it's going all natural, masking up, or a full face of makeup. We've added some of our favorite natural ingredients like aloe and water lily extract, which are amazing for your skin's health and appearance, licorice to regulate sebum production, and jojoba that hydrates without clogging your already filled pores. And because we care about your skin and ours, Matte Melt is paraben-free, has no SLS, and is completely fragrance and cruelty-free. Overall, I think it's safe to say my hunt for mattified, healthy skin is finally successful. Excess oil has worse cons than just highlighting your T-zone in photographs. It's a big reason for breakouts too. When there's way too much sebum on our faces, our pores get clogged, and then before you know it, a new pimple. Especially right now when we're all battling maskne. So what I've learned is find yourself a spot treatment that works. If you're into DIYs, you can make your own with a tiny pinch of haldi and a drop of apple cider vinegar. Dab it on through the day to shrink your bump away in no time. We really hope these tips help you out in achieving the skin you've always wished for. Please let us know in the comments below if you're excited to try out Matte Melt and if you will be giving it a shot. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.